Hi, in this video we're gonna learn substitute function. This function replaces a part of a text into a new text that we specify. This function is really similar to replace function. The only difference between them is that in replace function we specify the text we want to change it to a new text by locate its location in the text. We count it from the first and we locate its location and specify it by a number. But in substitute function, we directly enter the text, the new text, into the substitute function. Its formula is here. You can see it here. The first argument is text. It means the main text that we want to change it something into it, that we want to change something in it, a part of it. Next argument is alt text. It means the part of the text that we want to be changed. Next argument is new text. It is a text that we want to have it in the main text instead of alt text. And the last one is an optional argument that specifies which text we want to change. For example, we have 3 lowercase a here, and we want to only change the first one here and keep the others unchanged. So we enter 1 in instance num because this a here is the first lowercase a here. Just keep it in your mind that substitute function is a case sensitive function. Okay, let's try the first one. Substitute. The main text is in E2. We want to change all the lowercase a in this text. So the old text is lowercase a. We want to convert it to, for example, x. And that's it. You see, all the lowercase a has been changed to x. In the next situation, we want to change only the first a. We want to change it to x, only the first a, the first lowercase a. So, and the text is E2 again. We want to change lowercase a, the first one, and x. Here we enter a number that specifies which a we want to change. We want to change first a, so we enter 1. You see, only the first a has been changed to x. But I want to change it to number 2. So here, only the second a has been changed, or 3 for the last a. Okay, the last situation, we have a text. It is I cannot. We want to change it to I can try. So substitute. The main text is E4 in the E4 cell. We want to change not to the try, and that's it. I can try.
In order to watch more training videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel Diako Ltd. And if you want to see our products, please visit our website diako.co.uk.